Hi. Hi, Hiccups. Do you have little baby hiccups? I don't think people can appreciate how small you are. Very small. Are you very small? Do you have a crazy family? Do you? Do you have a crazy family? It's gonna be okay. Your eyes are stuck. Your eyes are stuck. Look, focus out here, baby. It's gonna be okay. You're gonna make it. How's your childhood going? Is it going good? Hello? Is it going good? Little hiccups. Oh, how cute are you?